Hello friends, this is Ilyas again with a new tutorial of Photoshop, and in today's video I will show you how to convert anyone into Hulk. So let's start. First of all, unlock this layer and create a duplicate layer. After it, go to filter and then liquify. And take the forward wrap tool, and then you have to stretch the muscles to make them more big. Like this. After it, you have to make a new layer and then choose green color shade and take a painting brush. And start painting like this all over the body. And now put the blending mode to color option and set the opacity around 50. After it, clear all the body parts by eraser on which you don't want the color. After it, you can group the layers together if you want by selecting them and pressing Ctrl+G and Command+G for Mac. And now you can see the results. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.